we are going to go ahead and get into writing rules for these nth terms. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and write out that rule for the nth term that you guys saw on the prior slide. If you didn't write that down, definitely go back and have that in your notes. It's very important. So that says that we've got a sub n, so that means that's our output, equals our first term, that's a of 1, times our rate raised to the term number minus 1. Now, don't think too much into it. Look at the first value, the rate it's growing by, do n minus 1, and that will tell you where to go with it. Okay, so our A1 is 5, and then our R, if you look at it, how do I get from 5 to 15, and 15 to 45, and 45 to 135? I am multiplying by 3. So my rule is a sub n equals 5 times 3 to the n minus 1. Yes, it's that easy. You guys have been doing this for a while. This is how you would write your exponential as well. Okay, now we've got a sub 8 we need to find. How do we do that? Well, we're going to plug 8 in for n in our equation. It's 5 times 3 to the 8 minus 7, which is, 8 minus 1, which is the 7th power. If you go ahead and plug that in, you should get 10,935 equals a sub 8. Hopefully that one made sense. Let's go ahead and move into this next one. So our first term is 88, and then our R we need to find. Our R is found by negative 44 over 88, which is negative a half. If you go through and check, you should see that it's a rate of negative 1/2 each time. So that means, writing our equation, we've got a sub n equals 88 times a negative 1/2 n minus 1. Now that negative on the inside of the parentheses is crucial because that power is going to be alternating it from negative to positive. So please make sure that you get the negative on the inside of the parentheses when it matters. Now we need to find a sub 8. So that's 88 times a negative 1/2 raised to the 7th power. If you go ahead and work on that, it's 88 times a negative, what is that, 2 to the 7th is 128. So 88 over 128 reduces down, and you get 11 over 16, and it's a negative. Hopefully that makes sense. All we did was we pulled from the rule the two main pieces, created our equation, and plugged in a term value.